Hey, let me show you how you can turn on and off the TalkBack on your Redmi Pad SE. So first of all, to turn it on, we have to open the settings, then scroll down and go to the additional settings. Now we have to find this option. It will appear in the accessibility, and here we have to go for the vision and select TalkBack. So to turn it on, we have to simply click on this switcher, scroll and tap allow. As you can see right now is turn it on, and to turn it off we have to press and hold volume up and the volume down button for the 3 seconds to turn it off. And to use the TalkBack, I'm gonna decrease the volume, and to use it we have to just select one of the option and then double tap, select and double tap, and that's how you can go between the options. So we have to select one of the option and then double tap. Let's finish this one. And for example, if you want to open the battery settings, you have to select and then double tap, and it will open the battery settings. And if you want to turn it off, you have to use this volume up and the down button. It's located just right here. That's the volume up and the volume down, and we have to click and hold these two buttons for 3 seconds. So let's do this right now. One more time. Yeah, and as you can see right now, we just turn it off. And that's all. Bye bye.